So we're now closing in the last part, the last side we need to do. You can see we're over here on the right side as you're looking from Chemung Street. And we had come around the corner before, so now we took out, the key was we had to get in here and take out all the rot. And it didn't appear that it went down through this column, post, because we don't see any sign of major water damage, but we were getting rot right in here. So we dug back in, took out all the rot we could, and thankfully it ends right here, and then we were able to pull out with chisel out and then hammer to loosen up anything else. And now what we're doing is starting to tie this all in. So you can see we're overlapping here. We put a nice long nail in here. Well, it's really hard to nail because that space is so, we had to use the side of the hammer, and we only got about an inch distance to swing it. So that took a little bit of time, but we got it in there, got a nice 16 in there. Or no, at 12, I guess, 12 coated D. And now we're going to put this top piece in. We have to extend this out. And then when we start putting these pieces in here, we'll probably go and put the other side on, the facer on the other side. So that'll fill this in. And then we're going to have to piece into here. We're going to have to trim down, piece into here, so we get this all filled in, and then the facer here will complete it. And we didn't put any of this facer on, so once we start doing that, we'll go the full distance. Other than that, we did some cleanup around here. We finished putting our drip edge extender on, and that should keep the water off this now. Did a bunch of scraping, and basically we'll just keep working at this and get this closed in.